Work out the value of x in each of the following. First bit, 3 power x equal to 243. Now, see here the base is 3. So here also you make the base to be 3. And how do we do that? By taking LCM of 243. So 3 here, 8, 1, 3, 2, 7, next 3, 9, next 3, 3, 3 and 1. So 243 is nothing but 3 power. What number? That is decided by how many times did you get 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 power 5. So 3 power x equal to, in place of 243, write 3 power 5. Now, what formula will you apply onto this one? Is this, see. A power x equal to a power y. Here you see the bases are same and it is equal to between them. Bases are same, equal to between them. That could only happen if the powers are also same. So equate the powers. Here also the same thing. Bases are same, equal to, so equate the powers. So we got x equal to 5. Now the next one. 16 power x equal to 4. Now see here. Here the base is 4. So write 16 also to the base 4. And that is, 16 is nothing but 4 power 2. Okay. 16 is nothing but 4 power 2. Now, what formula will you apply onto this one? Is a power m power n is a power m into n. See man, a has got multiple powers, m and n. In that case, multiply both the powers. So a power m into n. Here also 4 has got 2 and x as its powers. So multiply both of them, I get 2x. Here there is no power means 1. Now apply this. Bases are same, equal to, so equate the powers. So here the powers are 2x and 1. So 2x equal to 1. Now to get x, divide by 2. So you get x to be 1 by 2. Okay. Now the next one is 8 power x equal to 32. Here the idea you should get is, how can I make both the bases same? And the idea is, make here the base to be 2 and here also make the base 2. I will make both the bases to be 2. And how do I do that? See here. First take the LCM of 8. So that is 2 4s, next 2 2s and next 2 1. So 8 is nothing but 2 power 1 2 3. So 2 power 3. So here it is 2 power 3 power x. Now take the LCM for 32 as well. So again 2, 1 6. So 2 8, 2 4, 2 2s and 2 1. So 32 is nothing but 2 power. How many times did you get 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5. Okay. Next. What formula will you apply onto this one is this one. A has got multiple powers, so multiply both the powers. So this will become 2 power 3 into x is 3x equal to 2 power 5. Now this one. bases are same, equal to, so equate the powers. Here also bases are same, equal to, so equate the powers. Now to get x, divide by 3. So x equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Now the next one. 27 power x equal to 1 by 9. See. Here also I will try to make the base same, and the base for both the numbers should be 3. For that, take the LCM of 27. So if I take LCM for 27, I get 3 9s, 3 3s and 3 1. So 27 is nothing but 3 power 3. So this is 3 power 3x. And here 9 is nothing but 3 power 2. Okay. Now, what formula will you apply to this one is here. A power m power n, multiple powers, so multiply the powers. So you get 3 power 3x. Now here, you should take it to the numerator. So what change will it undergo is this one. See man, a power plus m. If you are taking it to the denominator, sign for the power will change. Sign for the power will change. Another example, if it is 5 power minus 2, if I am taking to the denominator, sign for the power will change to plus. When you are shifting up or down, the sign for the power will change. So here it is plus 2. When it comes up, it will become 3 power minus 2. Okay. Now, you apply this one. Bases are same, equal to. So equate the powers. So 3 power x equal to minus 2. Now to get x, divide by 3. So x equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, we have completed all the 4 bits. Okay.